Welcome to another video of Quix 5 tutorial series. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can install Quix 5 the manual way. There are actually two ways where you can download and install Quix. So you can install. So download button and your package will be downloaded. It almost 14 megabytes. And head over to Joomla and click the system and click the install extension menu from here and select the upload package tab from the top bar. And now I'm going to drag and drop my downloaded Quix 5 package here. It will take few moments to install the Quix 5 builder because it contains the plugins, the framework, the modules and all these stuffs. So it may take a few seconds to complete the whole installation process, and once the installation process is done, you will be greeted with a beautiful getting started section. So let's see how it turns out. It's almost done. So yeah, the installation is done, and voila, you now see a beautiful greeting screens where you will can click and see the Quix 5 tutorial videos, documentations, and ask for the support. So let's press the get started, and you will see a screen where it will in each and every part of the Quix section. So let's close this section, and here you go. You see there is license is not activated, and see our other video to activate the license and how to activate and validate the license. I'll see you in the next video.